Hello, everyone. Welcome to Tale Crafter English, where your fears turn into courage and English becomes your voice. Today is the day you stop hiding. It's the day you stop saying, I'm not ready. Imagine this. You're speaking English with confidence, laughing with new friends, and feeling strong in your body and mind. You're living a life that makes you proud. Does that sound impossible? It's not. It's closer than you think, and it starts right now. Let me ask you a question. Do you hesitate when you try to speak English? Does your heart race? And do your words disappear? Do you dream of a healthier, happier life but feel stuck? If you're nodding, this video is for you. My name is your name, and I'm here to share a story that will change the way you see yourself. This is the story of Liam, a young man who was afraid but found his voice and his strength. So, grab a notebook, take a deep breath, and let's dive in. Stop hesitating. Start speaking English now. Once upon a time, in a busy city, there was a young man named Liam. Liam was 22 years old. He had a kind heart and big dreams. He wanted to work in a big company, travel to places like London and New York, and feel healthy and alive. But Liam had a problem. He was afraid to speak English. Every time he tried, his face turned red. His hands shook. I sound silly, he thought. People will laugh at me. Liam worked at a small store selling books. Every day, customers from America, England, and Australia came in. They asked, "Do you have this book? Or can you recommend something?" Liam smiled and pointed to the shelves. He wanted to answer, to talk, but his fear stopped him. I'm not smart enough, he told himself. I'll never be good at English. At home, Liam's life felt heavy. He ate snacks like chips and soda. He sat on his couch, scrolling on his phone, watching videos of people living exciting lives. That's not for me, he thought. His body felt tired. His mind felt cloudy. One evening, Liam looked in the mirror. He didn't like what he saw. Not just his face, but his life. Is this who I am? He asked. If I keep hiding, will I ever be happy? Will I ever be proud? The answer was no. That night, Liam made a decision. I'm done hesitating, he said. I will speak English. I will get healthy. I will change my life. The next morning, Liam woke up with a new feeling. It wasn't confidence yet, it was hope. The sun was bright. The air was fresh. Today I start, he said. But how? Liam didn't know much English. He didn't have a gym membership, but he had something stronger, his will to try. Liam decided to start speaking English, even if it scared him. He found a simple phrase, "Hello, welcome to my store." He practiced it in front of his mirror. His voice was soft at first. "Hello, welcome," then louder. "Hello, welcome to my store." He smiled. It felt good. At work, he tried it. A customer walked in, an older man from Australia. Liam took a deep breath. "Hello, welcome to my store," he said. The man smiled. "Thanks, mate," he replied. Liam's heart soared. I did it, he thought. Here's your first tip. Pick one English phrase today. Something simple like, I am learning English or good morning. Say it out loud 5 times. Say it to a friend, a family member, or even your pet. Don't wait to be perfect. Speak now. Your voice matters. Liam wanted learning to be fun. He started watching English YouTube videos, cooking shows, travel vlogs, and funny pet videos. The words were simple, and the pictures helped him understand. He also downloaded a free app to learn 10 new words a day. Words like smile, walk, and happy. He wrote them in a notebook and said them every morning. I'm getting better, he told himself. Try this. Watch a fun English video today. Maybe a cooking video or a travel vlog. Write down 5 new words you hear. Say them out loud. Make learning a game, not a chore. Liam knew that speaking English was easier when he felt good. He started doing something new, mindfulness. Every morning, he sat quietly for 5 minutes, breathing slowly. In, out, he whispered. It calmed his fear. He also started running in a park near his house. Just 10 minutes at first. The trees, the birds, the fresh air, it made him feel alive. He swapped soda for water and chips for nuts. My body is my friend, he said. Here's a health tip. Try mindfulness today. Sit quietly for 5 minutes. Breathe in, breathe out. Then go for a 10-minute walk or run. Drink a glass of water. Eat a handful of nuts or a piece of fruit. These small steps will make your mind and body strong. Weeks turned into months, and Liam changed. He wasn't a scared boy anymore. He could say sentences like, "This book is great," and "Can I help you?" At the store, he talked to customers. "Do you like adventure books?" he asked a woman from England. She nodded. "Yes, I love them." They talked for 10 minutes. Liam felt like he was flying. Liam's body changed, too. Running made him stronger. Mindfulness made him calmer. He started cooking healthy meals, salads, grilled chicken, smoothies. He slept better. His skin glowed. One day, a customer said, "Liam, you're so friendly. Your English is good." Liam laughed. "I'm still learning," he said, "but I'm not afraid anymore." Liam's boss noticed. "Liam, you're a star," she said. She gave him a new role, leading a book club for tourists. Liam read simple English stories with them and talked about the books. His dream of meeting new people was happening. He even started a small YouTube channel, sharing tips for learning English. "If I can do it, you can too," he told his viewers. Liam learned that confidence grows when you try. He joined an online English chat group. People from Canada, India, and Brazil practiced together. They made mistakes and laughed. "You're doing great, Liam," they said. Liam also started reading English comic books. The pictures helped him understand, and the stories were fun. You can do this. Join a free online English group. Say one sentence like, "I like to learn." Read a comic book or a kid's story in English. Every small step builds your confidence. Liam's dreams grew. He wanted to visit Sydney, meet new friends, and maybe work in a big city. He also wanted to help his family. He started saving money, putting a little in a box every week. "This is for my future," he said. He also started teaching English to kids in his neighborhood. Their smiles made him happy. What's your dream? Do you want to speak English fluently? Travel the world? Feel strong and healthy? Write your dream down. Say it out loud. I will make it happen. Start today. Liam's story is proof that you can change. Right now, you're watching this video. You're thinking, can I speak English? Can I stop hesitating? Can I live the life I want? The answer is yes. You are not your fears. You are not your doubts. You are a voice waiting to be heard. Picture this. You're speaking English, sharing your ideas, laughing with friends from around the world. You're running in a park, feeling strong and free. Your family looks at you with pride. Your heart is full. This life is not a fantasy. It's yours if you stop hesitating. The secret is simple. Start now. One word, one step, one breath. Here's your challenge. Today, say one English sentence out loud. Maybe I am brave. Go for a 10-minute walk. Practice 5 minutes of mindfulness. Eat something healthy. These steps are small, but they are powerful. They changed Liam's life. They will change yours. Thank you for joining me on Tail Crafter English. This is just the start of your journey. Subscribe to our channel, hit the bell, and let's keep growing together. Share this video with someone who needs courage. Tell them, stop hesitating, start speaking English now. I believe in you. You are not alone. You are part of the Tail Crafter English family. Let's break our fears. Let's find our voices. Let's live our dreams.
Start today. Be brave.
You are unstoppable. See you in the next video. Bye for now.